Good day everyone, welcome to Light Graphics. In this short video tutorial, I'll be explaining to us how we can achieve the background of any design. You see a particular design and you like the background and you want to use that background to do another design. It can be a church design, it can be a birthday flyer, it can be an event. Anyone you see and you want to use that background to create something different. I'm going to be showing us the way we can do it, okay? And I want us to know something. This is not actually best thing to do as graphic designers. We just have to be creative, create your background yourself. But for those that are just starting, for those that want to um, just want to get more knowledge, we can also use this method to get the background of any design. But ensure you're always creative. You're always creative when you are doing your work. As a designer, we just have to be creative. Okay? So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now. Because this period, I will be sending a lot of videos that will help us in this journey. So if you are yet to subscribe, do so now so that when I dropped a new video, you will get the notification immediately. So subscribe now as you are watching this, okay? So the first thing we need to do is to get this app. Look at this app now, Gemini app. Okay, ensure you have this app download on your phone. If you cannot download it or you don't want to download, you can always pass through Chrome to get this app. All you need to do, go to Chrome, just type Gemini. When you type it, it's going to bring this same page, okay? Then you continue your work. When you have done so, the next thing is click on this plus sign. You already have the design you want to get the background on your phone. So you click on that plus sign. When you click on that plus sign, it will take you to your gallery. You can see this is it. You click on your gallery. Okay, when you click on it, you bring the design. Let's say this is the design I want to use. It will bring this particular design. When you click on that design, the next thing you are seeing, you can see here, Ask Gemini. You can see Ask Gemini. So anything you want to do, give the instruction. You can place your instruction there. So the first instruction I will give to it is remove the write-up. Okay, then you click on this part. I'm explaining it because of those that this will be their first time using this app. Click on that part, then you send. When you send, you wait for a few seconds. You have to be patient enough to be able to wait. You wait for a few seconds to see the results you will get, okay? The results you are going to get. So don't give the instructions once. If you give it the instruction once, you might not get your result. You can see it has removed the logo and the what we have here. Welcome to December. So we don't want the Christmas stuff there. So we say remove the Christmas image or design. Let me use design, okay? So you wait for a few seconds. You wait for a few seconds, okay? You can see the first instruction we gave to it, it has removed it. So let's wait and see the second instruction, okay? So we can see now that it has removed the Christmas design. And we don't want the contact information. Then we can say remove the write-up. Okay, let's remove the write-up. We want to remove the contact information for bookings and the other information we have there. So we write remove the write-up. Let's see our results. Okay. Now look at our results. Now we already have our results. You can see. All you need to do is click on download. For you to be able to download, you click on the image. Click on the image. When you click on the image, you will see download. Download is at the top right corner. So when you click on download, you'll be able to save this particular image. You will see downloading full size image downloaded. You can now open to see your image. Now sometimes you want to change something on this background. I can say, okay, I want sky blue. I want sky blue background. Okay, then you send it. Then you send it. I want sky blue background. All you need to do, send. When you send, you wait for the result. It takes few seconds. You can see it has given us, it has changed it from the white we have here to the sky blue. And you can design anything you want to design. You can take this to your design app, change, put another logo, create something beautiful out of it. You can also go, if you don't want, if you want it to even remove this box and put something else, you can also give it the instruction. Remove the box, place another something, maybe you like another thing, place it on it, or remove everything, place something else on this background. So with this, you can be able to achieve this design. But remember, it's always advisable that we are creative. Let's create our background ourselves. But sometimes you will see some designs and you like and appreciate the designer, and you just want to create something different with the background the designer has used. Then you can follow this method. Thank you very much once again. If you are here to subscribe, subscribe, because I will be showing us a lot of things this period.